The university is conceived as a collaboration between India and the East Asia Summit countries. The university offers postgraduate and doctoral research courses. The Net Zero campus is located close to the ruins of the ancient Nalanda University. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that Nalanda is a symbol of India's academic heritage and vibrant cultural exchange. Narendra Modi also visited the ruins of the Nalanda University. The original Nalanda University is considered to be among the first residential universities in the world. The ruins of Nalanda were declared as a UN Heritage Site in 2016. Established during the Gupta Empire era, its faculty members include the renowned Buddhist scholars. So the newly inaugurated Nalanda University in Bihar's Rajgir is not just an international educational hub, but it also serves as a symbol of the revival of an ancient Indian learning center. DD India's Anu Kaushik reports.
Established more than 1600 years ago, the Nalanda University in present-day Rajgir in the eastern Indian state of Bihar served as the leading center of learning for centuries. Considered the world's first residential university, Nalanda attracted over 10,000 students from all over the world. Its curriculum included grammar, medicine, logic, mathematics, astronomy, and alchemy. The courses offered at Nalanda were much varied when compared to its contemporaries in Europe. The University of Bologna in Italy and UK's Oxford and Cambridge universities were known for teaching law. In the late 12th century, Nalanda was attacked and damaged by invaders. But its legacy has been revived in the form of the namesake university in Rajgir, which is located close to the site of the ruins of the original Nalanda. The decision to establish the present-day Nalanda University took place in 2010, but it was only in 2014 under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government that major efforts were made to establish the institute as an international center of learning. Today, Nalanda University has the support of 17 countries including Australia, Bangladesh, Bhutan and South Korea. Its current batch has students from nations like US, Argentina, Turkey and Nepal among others who are enrolled in courses like history and international relations. Nalanda has 137 scholarships for international students. Serving as an example of state-of-the-art architecture, Nalanda is a net zero campus with solar plants. But first and foremost, Nalanda University serves as a modern-day center of learning with its roots in ancient India. Anu Kaushik's report for DD India.